Welcome to our informative video tutorial on how to fix laptop not connecting to Wi-Fi. Are you tired of dealing with the frustration of your laptop not being able to connect to the internet? In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on troubleshooting and resolving Wi-Fi connectivity issues on a laptop. We will cover common causes such as incorrect Wi-Fi settings, network adapter issues, and outdated drivers. So, let us start. Method 1. Run the Internet Connection Troubleshooter. Windows 11 provides built-in troubleshooters to fix common issues with computer. You can run the Internet Connection Troubleshooter to scan the Windows 11 Wi-Fi problems and fix them automatically. To run the Internet Connection Troubleshooter, open Settings. Go to System tab in the left pane. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Under Options, click on Other Troubleshooters. Click the Run button for Internet connections. Windows will launch the troubleshooter and show the issues for which Windows can troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot My Connection to the Internet. The troubleshooter will scan the system for issues and recommend potential fixes. Apply the fixes and check for any improvements. Method 2. Turn on WLAN Auto Config service. WLAN Auto Config is a Windows service that helps your computer to configure, discover, connect to, and disconnect from a wireless network. If this service is disabled, your Wi-Fi won't work. So, you should make sure the WLAN Auto Config service is running automatically. Here's how to do it. Go to Start menu. Type in Services and open it up. In the Services window, scroll down to locate the WLAN Auto Config service. Right-click on it and select Properties. Change the startup type to Automatic and click Start to run the service. Click Apply and then hit OK. Check if this fixes the issue. Method 3. System configuration. Here is how. On the search bar, type System configuration. Click on the Services tab. Enable all, then click Apply and OK, and select Restart. Method 4. Update Wi-Fi driver. In some cases, you are unable to see the Wi-Fi option in Windows settings because your Wi-Fi drivers are obsolete. In such a scenario, you should try updating the driver automatically. Here's how to do it. Right-click on Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the network adapters list. Locate your wireless card. Right-click it and select Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for driver software. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Hit Next. Wait for it to complete and then check if your issue is solved. Method 5. Reinstall Wi-Fi driver. This problem can be caused by a corrupted Wi-Fi driver. To check if this is the case, you will have to reinstall the Wi-Fi driver of your computer. Here's how. Right-click on Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the network adapters list. Locate your wireless card, right-click it and select Uninstall driver. Once removed, restart your PC and Windows should install the missing network driver during boot. After that, Check to see if Windows can detect your Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.